All right, guys, just got some stuff for the road: protein, snacks, water. Just getting some caffeine in me, and then we're gonna head out of town. So I'll roll around the other way and go down the main drag one last time. But yeah, so definitely a really good stay in Port Dover. If you're ever in the area, I definitely recommend coming down here. It's a cool little, it almost has a seaside feel to it, right? You know, one of the Great Lakes for sure. So anyways, lots of cool restaurants and stores and stuff like that. So if you're in the area, come and check it out. But other than that, let's get going. I'd show you the spot where we stopped. No dumping, so if you have to go to the bathroom, don't stop here. Anyways, yeah, overcast day, and that's fine. Do not mind as long as it doesn't rain. It's a little cool out. I don't want it to rain. So anyways, I just pulled off the highway. It's just up there, so I'm gonna get the stuff packed up and get going. I'm not sure what that building on the left there, can you guys see it? It looks like that's all solar panels on the slanted roof. All right, it's not solar panels. I think it's just to let light in. Yeah, so those are solar panels on that building. It's pretty crazy. Farmers are definitely capitalizing on this solar stuff. All right, guys, I stopped to go pee and take my rain jacket off, and I kind of thought the wind seemed like it shouldn't be going from the direction it was in accordance with the way we should be going. So I just checked and I rode by the turn I was supposed to make, so it's not too far back though. So anyways, I'm gonna get turned around and get going. Traffic is quite heavy today because it's Sunday, long weekend, so people either going about or heading back home from the long weekend. So I just got to keep my wits about me, that's all. All right, let's get back on the road and get back going in the right direction. All right, I'm going to take this dirt road over and hook up with the proper route through a couple of different roads. I didn't want to go back from where we came because when I stopped, took my rain jacket off, like I said, now I'm freezing because I was sweating. It's a downfall to a rain jacket for riding. Obviously, to be waterproof, they can't breathe. Wonder what the story is with this old tractor. Bet you it still runs. Just gonna stop and take a break near this tractor. Oh, no, it don't run. Look at that tire. She be flat and destroyed. Oh, there was a tube in it too. All right, get a picture. That'd be a sweet pick. Sweet pick. Thumbnail? Maybe. Oh, something does not smell good over here. That pile of stuff right there is disgusting. Oh my. That stuff right there. Ooh. My thoughts on this old tractor, that it was running up until recently because there's a bunch of tire marks in the dirt out there, and they look like these tires, so front and back ones. So it probably died. They just were using it till it died. It's an old one though. between the smell of this decomposing stuff here and the oil and all that from this tractor, it's not a very pleasant smelling spot, but I'm not staying around for very long. It's an old tractor though. I don't know, I guess if I had to guess, I would say 70s. Don't see the make of it. There is, oh yeah, International. She's an International. Oh, spider web. Sorry. Sorry about that. Got caught in a spider web. Oh, the people made it. Excuse me. I don't know if that's the direction they were headed, but they made it. All right, let's get back going. Just have an ATV convoy going by. Probably about 20 of them, I bet you. I just turned it on at the tail end. I decided it's just better to wait for them to go by. I'm guessing it's some kind of club or group, to be honest with you. There's probably some ATV trails that they're going off onto there. Wonder if with all the rain we had yesterday and this morning, I just don't even want to get on one of those trails, especially if that many ATVs are on them. I think I might put my vest on though. Not complaining, I'm liking this cool weather though for riding. Don't have to worry about drinking as much water. Still got to drink, but don't have to be as vigilant. We lost our big shoulder, guys. No biggie. Monstrosities. I believe this is Imperial Oil Refinery. Little better view of the workings. quad's getting a little sore. Sorry, my hammy. Right hammy's a little tight, so I'll stop for a second. See what the bell says. Oh, this is from a cemetery. There was an old cemetery. Oh, there still is. Looks like they moved all the tombstones over to one side for some reason. Yeah, this is just about the cemetery. The Cheapside Baptist Church was organized in the year 1837. Cool. I don't want that dog to go crazy for too long, so I'm gonna get going. All right, we're in the village of Selkirk. Get a picture. That's old. Established 1792. Flip a coin which way to go. Oh no, here we go. Town and Country Foods. Alright guys, just stopped here in Selkirk to Town and Country Foods. Met a real cool guy. I think his name was Greg. He might come out here in a second. I'll ask him again. But anyways, might be someone I could possibly ride with in the future. So anyways, we're headed that way. So let's get going. Community of Bing, about 5K out of Dunnville. Alright guys, so apparently I have to do a little voice over here because I lost some footage somewhere along the ways. So yeah, after a stay in the cool little town of Port Dover, I made my way to Dunnville. It was a good ride. Went through a couple of cool little towns, Selkirk, Cheapside, a few other interesting places. It was a day spent on the road, so not quite a grand adventure or anything like that. But all in all, a really good day of riding, and ended up in Dunnville at the Riverview Motel right on the Grand River. Very affordable, very clean, and the owners were super cool and accommodating. So I'm going to wrap it up here, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.